I bring you an electric ADV today. It comes with 5 kW mid-chain motor, 120 Ah lithium battery, top speed 130 km per hour, the range reach 180 km. If you want more power, no problem. We still have 10 kW and 15 kW water-cooled option. Follow our channel. I will show them in next few reviews. This ADV uses Type 2 fast charger. Even at home, you can get a full charge in 4 hours. For tires, you have 2 options. High grip tire for city or all-road tire for rain and off-road. You can customize tire size 180, 170, even 200 mm. Now let's talk about looks. The front had an aggressive eco brake design. The seat height is 78 cm. Even I'm only 172, my feet can touch the ground fully. I'm not a skillful rider, so please don't expect me show you some difficult riding skill. I just want to show you what it looks like when a rider on motorcycle. You're gonna build your own electric motorcycle brand. We also support OEM and ODM. Follow our channel for factory working and a new model.